How to delete account in Google Authenticator. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first method is open up Google Authenticator on a device. Now tap on profile at the top right corner. Now click on use without an account. Again tap on continue. Now go back to the home screen. Now the next method is open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on users and account. Now simply tap on Google. Now tap on the account you want to remove. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner and tap on remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.